Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get unlimited moves in a royal match. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up the Royal Match application, you'll be greeted by this main page right here on the game, where you can see you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what we suggest, even though it isn't necessary to log in, is to always create an account because you will have far more benefits than somebody without an account. So guys, after logging in, now this will be the home page you're greeted by, where you can see all the levels that you can play. Here you can see the chest that you can open and the treasures, and if you scroll left and right, you'll be able to see your collections, you can see your achievements, areas, and so on. So guys, let's say that you have started playing some level and now you want to have unlimited moves when playing. Well guys, there is a couple of ways around it, but basically there is no direct way to have unlimited moves, as that would be cheating. So what you can do is to bypass that guys by using other utilities, such as you can prepare all the lives that you want before playing, and then you can go ahead and prepare to use your bonuses and extras and your lives when you start playing the match. So you want to collect as many bonuses and extras that you have to help you out with the level that you're having problems with, and then even though if you run out of moves, you will still be able to continue playing if you pay the needed cost. But yeah guys, basically that is the only way that you can get started with playing with unlimited moves, as there is no other way. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.